Coming out of the Baking and Pastries Foundations class at Kalamazoo Valley, students will be able to enter as entry-level bakers or entry-level pastry cooks. The philosophy is there's three sections that it's broken up into. There's desserts, there's pastries, and there are breads. Each one of the classes or each one of the sections is then rotated through, so a student will be on each one of the stations for 2 weeks, and then they rotate into a different station.
The reason I'm taking baking is because I love baking, and also to complete the culinary program.
I think they get to do a lot of things. I really think that's the fun part about it, is there is a plethora of recipes, and I think it's interesting for them to be able to develop and go through different recipes at different times.
I love that our food is being served downstairs, especially when someone comes up to you and says, "Oh, that tres leches cake that you made was delicious," and just like hearing the feedback.
You know, we have all the fantastic tools, much of which won't even be available in some professional kitchens. So there was a lot of time, there was a lot of finances invested in that, so that students can actually get not only what they might get out in the real world, but what they possibly could in any one of those facets.